Shibuya Scramble. Here, there's a cinema here. And then there, all the buildings here. And that in front is the Shibuya Scramble. Of the lot of construction. And Hachiko is way over there. Taxi. In front of me is Sotaya Starbucks. And that is the Scramble there. One in the middle. So. And entering Shibuya Station. Going to Godzilla Head. Kabukicho. Yeah. Intersection. Sotaya. I see the head of Godzilla up ahead on top of that building. So I am in Kabukicho looking for Godzilla head. And I think up ahead on top of that building is Godzilla head. This is Kabukicho again. Kabukicho. This is the Toho building, the one that makes the movie Godzilla. And I think Godzilla is here on top of this building, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I could be wrong, but Toho Cinemas. This is a multi-level movie theater, and Godzilla should be here. It turns out it's on the very top of the Toho building. I can see the head already, so I'll go up the escalator. So it's on the 8th floor of the Gramercy Hotel. Nobody's gonna stop you anyway. So on the 8th floor there's a display here. Godzilla fighting this monster. Monster X actually. Monster X. And here's the entire history of Godzilla from 1954 onwards. I'll slowly pan up to 2021 actually. Yeah, 2021. The latest, well, actually sorry, 2023, the latest one. There's another Godzilla. Sorry, but it's off limits. Godzilla head, so I think a lot of people tried to take pictures, so they just closed it. See? It's cordoned off now. But yeah, but you could more or less see it from the mirror. That's Godzilla head, so again, too bad we can't go outside. I can just view it from the mirror and it's not moving. They turned it off, it's supposed to be moving. So I asked the waitress, it's close to maintenance.